Invisible Ecologies. Alfio Giuffrida, Environmental Art, Abstraction, and Living Systems. In a world that has transformed nature into a resource, Alfio Giuffrida restores it as language. His works do not describe the environment, they recreate it. They do not imitate the organic, they codify it. In an era marked by the ecological crisis, the loss of biodiversity, and the digitalization of living things, Giuffrida constructs an aesthetic of responsibility, a form of visual thought that does not denounce, but transforms. In Element 25 Einstellung 17, 2000, the modular structure evokes an abstract ecosystem. The shapes are arranged like cells, like nodes, like flows. The work does not represent nature, it simulates it. It is a reflection on environmental complexity, on the invisible network that connects every form of life. The element is not a part, it is a system. Samples, 2005, is a composition that recalls biological sampling. The shapes appear as fragments of fabric, soil, and organic matter, but they are stylized, abstract, synthetic. The work invites us to think of nature as an archive, as memory, as stratification. It is a visual geology, an ecology of detail. Kugeln, 2005, is a series of spheres that evoke seeds, nuclei, planets. Each shape is closed, but potentially generative. The work is a metaphor for fertility, latency, possibility. It is a reflection on the power of the small, the strength of the microscopic. It is an ecological cosmology. In Betsuga, 2008, Giuffrida builds relationships. The shapes are not isolated, they are connected. The work is a network, a system, a map. It is a reflection on ecological interdependence, on the need to think in terms of connection, not separation. Each element is significant only in its relationship with the others. Element 23, Installation, 2000, is an installation that evokes a synthetic landscape. The shapes are arranged like reliefs, like flows, like currents. The work is not static. It is dynamic. It is an abstract geography, a topography of environmental thought. It is an ecology of movement. CD4, 1997, is one of the first works in which Giuffrida uses digital media to construct visual structures. CDs, symbols of memory and obsolescence, become compositional elements. The work invites us to reflect on the environmental impact of technology, the fragility of digital memory, and the need for information sustainability. The Whole World as a Sculpture Park, 1998, is a poetic and political statement. The whole world as a sculpture park, not as a space to be dominated, but to be contemplated. The work is an ecological utopia, a vision in which art is not separate from nature, but part of it. It is a proposal for coexistence, harmony, and respect. CD's Blind, 2005, is a reflection on technological blindness. CDs, stripped of their function, become opaque surfaces. The work speaks to us of the loss of transparency, the saturation of information, and the need to see again. It is an ecology of the gaze. Ultra, 2006, is a composition that evokes the ultra-sensible. The forms are subtle, vibrant, almost invisible. The work invites us to think of the environment not only as what we see, but as what we perceive. It is an aesthetic of the invisible, an ecology of the threshold. Giuffrida's entire production can be read as a conceptual ecology. His works do not speak of nature, they are nature. They do not illustrate the environment, they recreate it. They do not denounce the crisis. They propose languages for navigating it. His art is a pedagogy of respect, a philosophy of form, a spirituality of the system. It is an invitation to think ecologically, to see the world as a network, as balance, as possibility. Nature is not to be protected. It is to be understood. Alfio Giuffrida.